Good morning, y'all. How are you doing today? So today I will be taking the Skyline to get the engine bay, well the intake manifold, the valve covers, and the exhaust manifold repainted, powder coated, and I'm excited to see that because it looks really old and doesn't look as good as anymore. Y'all like my shirt? I want to show y'all this. And like a good neighbor, stay over there. One of my clients made that for me, so really appreciate it for that. Let's start her up and take her to my buddy Trey. I heard he's an engine whisperer. Haven't met him yet, so this will be my first time meeting him. But I heard a lot of great things from him with my friends. So, hey, any friends of mine is a... any friend of my friend is a friend of mine. Alright, let's start her up. Oh yeah, I love that red. There we go. Hate when it does that sometimes. It locks up on you. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. Pull up to my buddy Trey and we'll mask up protection first. But look what I see first thing. Red NXS. Ooh, look at that. What's going on, bro? You go to YouTube famous.
The YouTube famous.
So nice time to meet you, man.
Yeah, for sure. Delete the restrictor pill around 14 pounds.
So, a lot of this here, I don't know why so much cluster. We took some stuff off already. And you can figure out like what all these wires are. Cause he had this anti-rust thing over there. Yeah, and I got rid of it. This is
kind of break that. It's like a little lag. I don't know how it is. But I mean, obviously if we pull the motor out and do a build, like, we can make everything like beautiful, you know?
yeah.
That's really hard to do without taking unless something like
Because we were taking it out anyways. Taking the covers off and that, so I was like, you know what? I will invest some money in it. Nothing, not like really crazy, but...
right. Yeah, we can. Alright, we're gonna get heads. Alright. Yeah, for sure. I'll talk to you soon.
Perfect. That's cool. Just dropped off the car to Trey. His name, he goes by Trace because he was the third. I was gonna make a joke, but yeah.
With an
I
S.
was. No, like,
Trace with an S.
when we were there, I was like, oh, so are you Trey or 3? And yeah, no.
And he's Hispanic, so it works for Trace.
Is he Hispanic?
He looked Hispanic.
Really? I thought it was white.
I don't know.
I think his last name was Crossland.
Looked awfully Hispanic to me.
Yeah.
Maybe it was just the mustache, I don't know.
But yeah, I appreciate Cole for following me or meeting me there, dropping off the car. I'm excited to see.
He paid me like $1,000 for this, so it's okay.
Just kidding. I'm excited to see what the car is going to look like. There was a lot of things that we talked about that was not filmed or recorded because I wanted to surprise y'all.
Top secret.
Top secret. Ooh, I like that. Top secret. And now we're heading back to work. Gotta grind. So cool.
Yep.
Why did the vampire attack Cardi B?
For corduroy, I don't know.
Why did the vampire attack Cardi B?
I don't know.
Cause she got bloody shoes.
Oh my god, I got a better one.
Alright, what you got?
If A is for apple, B is for banana. What is C for?
I don't know.
Plastic explosives. Think about it.
I know. I thought about. I know it. I got it. But
That's way better.
yeah. So cool. This morning when I woke up, I was like, man, why is my shoulder feel a little tired? I was like, oh shit, we did push-up yesterday.
I forgot to do so many though.
We only did like what, 50, 60?
50
Like around 50, 60.
40 or 50
Around there.
That's crap.
And we're supposed to do 10 an hour every day to get back into shape.
So you do like 100.
Because that's what we used to do until Thanksgiving hit one year. That shit just went out the window. So, yeah, woke up this morning. I was like, man, I feel it already. Like,
you know what's funny about that though? You don't even go all the way down.
not fun. Cole almost killed us.
That's a lot.
He fucking did Tokyo Drift in a Honda Accord
That's a ball-headed lie.
between the two fucking.
That's an air-headed lie.
What's that? I don't even know what that is. It's a fucking trailer. In an oil tank truck. God damn.
Nice.
Well, you know, good thing. You know what's a good thing about that was, Paul?
What?
We have life insurance. Because I literally just thought about, oh shit, this is it. Oh,
You knew the liability when you got in this car.
But you know, God's by our side. Thank God for another day. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, it
Oh
was
shit,
crap.
whoa, what the fuck is all this?
I don't know. I
Yo.
don't think we would get it. Hey.
I don't know if y'all saw that, but there was debris all over the freeway. Alright. Yeah. What did one butt cheek say to the other?
I don't know.
What's going on, y'all? Finally back. Got my hair cut. You know, looking good. Thanks to my barber. Look good, feel good, right? So it's been about a week since we dropped off the car to get the engine bay repainted. And I'm excited to show y'all the new color. You know, it's gonna look totally fresh, finally being restored. And we were talking back and forth about, you know, I was just curious what it would cost to make it a little bit faster, rebuild the motor, do some things to it, and next thing you know, what we're about to do is 600 horsepower build on the GTR. Don't ask me why or what happened. You know, they convinced me that it was a good idea to pull the motor and drop a bunch of money in rebuilding the car with 600 horsepower. I'm kind of speechless. I didn't think that was going to be a thing. You know, I was thinking about maybe later down the road, but then something came over me, and yeah, we're about to pull the motor. So Treyway, he's working on the car right now. He's about to pull the motor this week and start taking things apart. He told me it's about 3 months and everything should be done. So hopefully by October, we'll get the car back and it's a totally different animal, different beast. And yeah, I'm just really excited right now. You know, we're going to be doing a V-cam kit on the car as well, and a bunch of expensive parts into the car, quality stuff, and just definitely not what I had planned right this minute. But Trey and my buddy Jimmy convinced me otherwise, that it was a great idea to do so, and that you only live once. So that's all for this video. I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen, what's gonna come with this car, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.